Yo, what's up guys, what's up? Give me a second to set stuff up. If you're watching this not live, you know, enjoy the rerun. Let me see up here. Enjoy the rerun. Just shield the channel, shield the video. There we go. We probably need some music. I think we need music. I think we need music over here. What are we gonna have? Axel Karma. Yeah, Axel Karma is always a big thing. There we go. The good mood. Mladen, how you doing, man? The central plan. Ivalio, hey man. Sola Claudio, 150 km in the car. Great for a stream, meanwhile. Nice. Hello chaps, hello Gareth, how you doing, man? What you guys want me to do? Are we just gonna, you know, start with the, you know, doing the Phantom long? I like Phantom, man. I like Phantom. Today I like Phantom. The 10 moving average is not popping out. There we go, the 10 moving average. It was actually better, you know, long down here, but you know, right now it's confirmed kinda. Music a bit loud. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Pull back down to, you know, 60. Ready to go. 60 down here on today, nice. 50 on weekly, nice. Monthly, it's down at 41, nice. Momentum going towards the upside. Weekly momentum going on above, almost above the zero line. Kind of increasing a little bit of speed up here. 4 hourly. 4 hourly ready for a cross. Looks juicy, man. Juicy. Life's juicy. Of course, you know why we do these streams, guys. Shilling Bybit. That's the point of my life right now. Shill Bybit links. You got a Coke. Before we take any kind of trade, Bitcoin is doing well. People don't believe that we are bullish. Still below the support line. But I've seen these kind of moves before. They break towards the upside. So you can see that. Ethereum 0.1. Old lines. Hitting resistance above 10 moving average. Look how nicely it was hugging the 20 moving average up here. Then bam. Looks nice. DXY not doing anything special. Stock market is up a little bit up here. Bouncing up a little bit, very nice. Maybe there is other trades to be taken. That looks better. This looks nice. Did not actually cross the resistance. If it gets down there for any kind of reason, this might be a long position over here. So, you know, we're gonna put that there we go. We're gonna put some, you know, AUX. Tiela, showtime. Hi guys, hi Didi, how you doing? If you wait a bit, a juicy short coming. Juicy short. Guys, we are in the bull market. There is no shorting. Shorting is for weak. Shorting is for weak. Shorting is for people who don't understand what's happening. Look at this nice move. Down to 20 moving average, bounced off of the 20. I told you guys, I told you. Look here. 20 moving average. You remember the stream? I told you guys, I told you on the 20. It was all the way down here on the 20 moving average. VRA for scalping. VRA. Q Why are you showing me this, man? Why? I mean, I don't get it. Why are you showing me this? I don't want to touch it. The best kind of trades are, you know, I love going into trades when it's like this over here, when it's consolidating. I don't like the moves. I don't like the catching the moves up and down. I don't like impulsive moves. I figured that about myself. When something goes, you know, straight up, I don't like it. But when it's at the end of some kind of consolidation, that's when you want to make the move. AGX. I cannot trade AGX, but I can look at it. It looks like it wants to drop though. It looks like it wants to drop. I mean, it's just some kind of line up here, give or take. It's hugging a little bit too much up here. Big move, big move, big move, consolidating up here. I mean, there's definitely some kind of, you know, a resistance line up here above it. Needs to get a, you know, continuation towards the upside, but over here, like, if I would see, you know, I would say this needs to drop. Optimism are looking good. Don't show that to Jewel. Yeah, guys, don't show VRA to Jewel. Scalping on 1 minute, bro. Nah, we are not doing scalping. I hate doing, you know, short-term scalps and stuff like that. I don't know. I think everybody needs to figure out what they like and don't like to do when it comes to trading, you know, and you know, I find out some, you know, things about myself, what I enjoy and don't enjoy. What's up, TLI? We gotta know Alif. Alif is in the chat, the master trader. Well, that's the wrong let me see if we can find something that has better setup than Phantom right now. Phantom is a nice setup. I like Phantom, like up here. I would like to pull back a little bit. It already did pull back, so there is no reason for it to pull back again. But over here. But if it does pull back over here again, any kind of, you know, support line down here again, that might be a long position there. So you're gonna check that out. I'm sorry about that. I'm checking Gala for entry. It has a 10% pumps. Yeah, Gala is crazy. But Gala has been performing well lately. Look how nicely, you know, it went above the moving averages, consolidating up here. It's waiting, but you know, this consolidation might take a while. This 2-day time frame up here, it's already looking kind of, you know, it already broke down. Right now it's going into this box up here. Now these boxes just below the support lines are really critical, because if this starts, you know, breaking out of the boxes towards the upside, everything, you know, has big moves. Can this have a 10% move towards upside? Definitely. I mean, this thing is volatile, like, you know what. This thing is crazy. Like, this is like 15% just the resistance up there on the move, if it does happen. Do we have let me go. It's a little bit, you know, it's just had 3 hourly candle towards the upside up here. If it can move back down into the moving averages, maybe. If it can move down to the moving averages, give or take, on the Gala. Sole possible breakout. Harmony looks primed to make an absolute run. Check out Harmony. It's not just Harmony, it's everything. Like, yeah, Harmony did pull back a lot though, and it has this, you know, flatlined goes to it has this box up here. This box is nice. Let's put some lo-fi happy. Get an stank. Let's check it a little bit more. Let's see what we have up here on the charts. Axie Infinity looks nice, but you know, I mean, it hasn't gone that much up. I mean, it's just like something like 2-3% up here. So you know, pullbacks down here 1.25%, something like that. But you know, Bitcoin is a beast right now. Same with exactly same setup as Harmony. Yeah, a lot of these coins have the same setup. You know, that's why they are interesting. Right now, Matic is up 1.44%. What's in red? Mana is in red, but still, you know, pumped. Sand up here. So a small part up here looks like wants to break. What kind of downside do we have up here? 2-3% downside just to get Are you going to miss the trade today? Nah, we are not gonna miss the trade today. And I can see it up here. Just a second. Just miss. I think something like this over here and this down there, and I think that's fine. What's happening, guys? What's happening? This is Aptos. Look at Aptos, guys. Look at I don't know. I just went to Bybit for you know, to show you, you know, the count. Look at Aptos. I'm not doing anything. Look at Aptos, guys. Look at Aptos. Aptos went just crazy. This is 1 minute chart, guys. 1 minute chart on Aptos. Aptos is going literally nuts right now. Look at it. 1 minute chart, 7% up. Aptos is moving, guys. Aptos, look at it. Look at it. I'm not touching this, but you know, you know, for whatever reason, I had it open on Aptos and I switched to Bybit, you know, just to show you the account. And it's crazy. Not too much fun. Look at Aptos. Aptos is crazy, guys. On 1 minute chart. This is 1 minute chart. That's 8% move. I mean, maybe not much volume, but look at the movement. I mean, there is volatility, guys. There is volatility. 1 minute chart. Look at it. Look at it. Look at the movement, guys. I don't know if you who says, you know, there is no volume or something like that. I don't think they mean you know, up here. If you got balls, guys, if you got balls, it will hurt you if you get on this one. Nah, I'm not touching Aptos. We can check out Aptos a little bit up here. Bitcoin pumped. Maybe that's the reason. Nah, I didn't. 1 minute chart, 4 hourly chart. Do we have any kind of divergence up here on chart now? We're still looking for any kind of pullback whatsoever to get in on something. But you know, any kind of pullback whatsoever, everything is, you know, nice. Apt. Yeah, let's check out Apt USDT up here, Binance. Look at the move. These are the lines actually I drew actually yesterday, and I was thinking like if this breaks towards the upside, it's gonna have, you know, moment. Look at the moves, guys. Look at the moves. This was actually from yesterday. If I had taken the trade yesterday, you know, it would be like 10% or something like that. But you know, I was actually thinking it needs to pull back a little bit. It was actually up here or something like this, I think. Yeah, the lines are from yesterday. Man didn't go with Bitcoin. Ethereum's case is all just now. Through 50 cents on Aptos. Aptos is Pampu. Phantom 59, Apes 3% up, 1 hourly. Bitcoin is doing well. People don't understand what's going on. People don't understand. People are still so bearish. They still think that we are in the bear market. If you just saw Aptos right now, right? Look at this up here. You got some kind of, you know, move up here, then you got a consolidation up here towards the upside. Now, if this line gets broken again, this is just gonna explode. Huge head and shoulders on Ape. I don't see it. It might be some kind of, you know, cup and handle pattern up here. That's what I see that's what I see on Ape. Cup, and right now this handle up here, and then break towards the upside, and the target up here should be, let's use the midpoint up here. I think midpoint is the same thing. Up here, something like 566 or something like that, right? So from over here, you know, the move is like 10-12% towards the upside, if it breaks towards the upside, of course. Inverse head and shoulders on Ape. Inverse head and shoulders. I mean, what time frame are we looking at inverse head and shoulders? Oh, you're probably thinking something like this over here. No, inverse head and shoulders. Something like this. I don't see it, man. I don't see it. I see cup and handle. I don't see inverse. I see cup and handle, and this cup and handle is actually quite nice because this pull, you know, this is actually legit cup and handle pattern. You can see how nicely it went down here, climbed above moving averages, big impulsive move towards the resistance, pulled back into the moving averages, climbing above the moving averages. Once this resistance up here is broken, this is gonna explode. So what kind of down you know, pullback do we look at right now? 1.64% downside. No, where you were looking, where I was looking, I don't know, man. I was looking all over the place. Cup and handle. This over here is cup and handle. It's not you know, inverse head and shoulders. This is a cup and handle. What do we think about OP? There was once when I said OP might actually perform well. I think OP had this, yeah. So these are my old lines. Yeah, OP is performing very nicely, but I was saying that OP actually is gonna, you know, perform well down here. And I mean, it did perform like crazy up here, 100% up here. And right now it's, you know, it's had a pullback. People are still so scared about pullbacks. People think that we are in a bearish market and we are just gonna go down. We pull back, double top, double bottom on the 50 moving average. Right now climbing above the moving average up here. There is a resistance up here. Once it's above that, it's gonna continue towards upside. I think Bitcoin has first come advantage. Long a tight stop loss. Hi man, can you look at her bar? Ron, of course. Don't tell me you are into her bar cult right now. Where is her bar USDT? Ooh, what you doing? 69%, man. 69% up. It's above the moving average. It's just climbing. Yeah, it's too late for a trade because, you know, it's already, it's already, speeding towards upside. Now there might be a lot of room left to go, but monthly 200 moving average up here, and it looks like it's hitting, you know, the first one of these first resistance levels up here. This is on a monthly time frame, so there is that. We got up there, you know, there's a lot of empty space up here. Once you get above these this resistance up here, there's a whole ton of empty space between 76 and all the way up here. It's 125% up. But let's look at a little bit up here on the weekly time frame. You got a 50 moving average all the way up there. You got a resistance up here at the top. Yeah, no, it looks like it just slowly climbing. You don't have yet. I mean, it just looks like it's climbing. We don't have yet this bump and run pattern or whatever you want to call it, because this is just, you know, slowly climbing up. People are ignoring this, and then it explodes towards the upside. Everybody FOMOs in, and then, you know, it does the move back. But right now it's it kind of looks like it's just climbing up here in some kind of, you know, channel up here. Definitely looks like some kind of channel up here. It's just climbing. Yeah, give or take. It looks like it's climbing in a channel right now, and you know, once this channel is broken towards the upside, you know, the FOMO kicks in. Right now, people are ignoring it, maybe a little bit, but it's, you know, it's steadily been, you know, going towards the upside. 70% up here on the move. Pullbacks already happened up here, climbing up here. It looks good. It looks good. It's above 200 moving average on the daily time frame, 2-day time frame up here, climbing above the moving averages. coming to, yeah, it might be hitting some kind of resistance right now, but it's been very steadily climbing. I mean, there has been no change in speed, which is actually good for because that means that it just can, if Bitcoin starts going up, it can just break this towards upside and, you know, do very nice moves. Yahoo also had first come advantage. Google didn't care. Ape Capital, yeah, Ape Capital. So there's that. Bitcoin 1% up. Where is my Phantom? Phantom, no pullbacks. Breaking towards the upside. Bitcoin hitting again this resistance up here, so maybe we're gonna get a pullback up here with everything, of course. Bitcoin critical level, man, Drew. Yeah, critical level, always critical level. Ape is up 4%. How did we mess this up? Seen it for a year now. Keep up the good work, bro. Manju, thanks, man. Appreciate that. Where is the pullback? Where is the pullback? No pullbacks. So you think the bottom is in for Bitcoin and alts? I thought the bottom was in, you know, since June. Unfortunately, when we went from 20 down to, you know, 15. So yeah, I pretty much think that. Any thoughts on the RSI? Any divergences? No, no divergences. Everything is, you know, RSI is playing very nicely. Up here, there is no divergence, at least not on 4-hourly time frame. And this pulled back a little bit from 90 down to 70, 80, so it can definitely continue pumping up here. Bullish engulfing candle up here, very nice. This is such a strong move. If this becomes a bullish engulfing candle, that's gonna be such a strong move for Bitcoin. Sitting in this resistance right now, I would assume it needs to pull back, but you know. Check the XY, it does not show reversal more there, so no pullback, I'm thinking. Yeah, the XY is just, you know, bleeding down. Let's see up here. Let's see, is there anything that need not right now, you know, just skyrocket? Sand and Mana did not skyrocket, I think. Yeah, they did a little skyrocket stuff. I mean, down here was, you know, the optimal stuff. Yes, but weekend is around the corner. Fire trading, everything is consolidating. Because you want to get in on consolidation. You want to get in on the bottom of the consolidation. You don't want to get in when the price is already... When the price is moving, you want to be in a trade. You don't want to enter the trade when price starts moving. You want to enter the trade when the price is boring. Bought a lot of 50-70k range. Ooh. That's such a good range. That's the only range. Yeah, there was no pullback to this line up here. We can pull it up a little bit up here. It doesn't matter. Thinking of taking profits, but others say the resistance is 22.5. You do you, man. You do you. Gala 197. Doesn't care. NG coin. Oh, NG coin. Look at an NG coin, guys. Oh, engine coin, man. Engine coin. Engine. What kind of downtrend? Down, you know, it's 2.3%. There's these support lines and there's this resistance up here right now hitting. You cannot long the resistance. I am on a bandwagon that I wanna, you know, Bitcoin to do some pulling back a little bit up here. I would like if Bitcoin could pull. Just pull back, man. Just pull back a little bit, okay? Deal. We have a deal. I'm doing a live stream, man. You gotta pull back a little bit so we can enter something. Can't long on short in New York, man. Why can't you long on short? Epto. How's Epto doing? We have it up here on look here, sideways. Yeah, Aptos is doing fine. Aptos is doing fine. Won't let on Binance. You can do Bybit. There's a link down below. That's gambling. Wait for a breakout and buy. No. Breakouts are gambling. When you are buying in a consolidation, you actually have time to think, to to invest, build position. What are you gonna do when it breaks out? You're gonna FOMO in like a crazy guy. Only spot buy yourself. Sequence is always consolidate, breakout, pullback, move. You buy a pullback. No, it's not always the case. Sorry. You are wrong. 100% wrong. Man, we're pumping. Yeah, we're pumping. Didn't I tell ya, guys? Didn't I tell ya? But we are not right yet. Tila, please upload my question up there. Sure, man, if I can find your question. Maybe I missed it. It happens sometimes. Where is your question, Alif? You could just write the question again. That would be so much easier than me. I cannot find your question, man. Alif, what's up, Tila? We gotta know. And after that, I don't see your name anywhere else. What's the question? Alif. There is no question, man. Pullback. Where is it? 5 minutes time frame, yeah. Faked everybody out, very nice. Right now we're getting the pullback, so we might enter the trade somewhere. Yeah, let's see if we can get any kind of pullbacks and then enter the trade. See here, small pullbacks. Galen 200 no, if not, you don't trade. 1.6 target. Okay, let's take 5-minute break while this pullback is happening, so I can shield the Bybit link. 5-minute break, guys. Where is the pullback? Where is my pullback? That's what I want to know. Hey, 79, I have been following your channel for some time, guys. Good job, thank you. Thanks for the bucks, man. Appreciate it. Finally, I can feed the kids. No pullbacks, guys. No pullbacks. Oh man, we missed the trades. All the trades are gone, guys. All the trades are gone. Literally everything is gone. No pullbacks. Yeah, I cannot trade this over here. This is ready, but you know, doesn't help me much. No pullbacks. Oh man, oh man, oh man. I thought this was gonna be, you know, a good stream. We're gonna find something, go long. Oh man. We'll get a pullback. On YouTube, just write Bitcoin bookmap. So easy to trade. Nah, we don't do book maps. We don't like book maps. The wall just moved from 21.4 to 21.5. Yeah, that's the problem with book maps and order books. That's you know, the orders just get moved. It costs you zero money, $0 to move an order from one point to another point. $0. It's so easily manipulated. When you see a, you know, sell wall, buy wall on the book map, it means nothing. It means zero. It means zero, so we don't like bookmaps. Look in the group, possibility. Oh, maybe Mladen is gonna save the day. I don't want to short, man. I don't want to short. I don't want to short. Yeah, it's nice. It's hitting maybe some, you know, short-term pullback up here. It might be hopium for the pullback, but I don't want to short. This is 1 hourly. But I don't know, I like the line up here. I mean, it hits it very nicely up here several times, like over here. I like this line, and this line is getting broken. I'm long on 8, nice. Question RSI 6 or 12, 14. Everybody uses 14. When it comes to RSI and you know, the levels and stuff like that, you know, everybody uses 14. I don't know, you know, people are changing that to fit the, you know, whatever. But you know, I've never seen anybody, you know, decent that's doing anything else than 14 for whatever reason. I don't know why. You know, everybody's using 14, and I don't see any benefit of using any other numbers. Everybody's using 14. There we go, maybe a pullback, maybe a pullback. Let's go over this 5-minute time frame, 1 hourly time frame. So it's such a nice bounce. Well, the ape is doing the cup and handle pattern up here, hitting the resistance right now. Maybe some pullback, maybe a pullback. So because if this breaks up here, so you're gonna see if there is any kind of consolidation on ape up here. If there is any kind of consolidation up here, even on small time frames up here, down here, that might be, you know, nice, because I mean it is a cup and handle. Like this is like, you know, perfect cup and handle pattern up here. Just try to draw that channel. Okay, man, let's try to draw the channel. How do you draw it? Up here, what do you use? Bottom. Okay, use the bottoms down here on one. Yeah, but it only hits it 2 times. 2 times. Pull up. Maybe something like this over here. Bitcoin pulling back, everything's pulling back, nice, everybody is in fear. Down here 5 something, maybe all the way down back to 5. Another % down or something like that. Let me just pull back target. Put in your numbers or you will miss it. Apes and Nas double bottom on daily with a perfect retest. You lost the entry. Yeah, I know. Ape has been good on the weekly time frame, like crazy good. I said this to people, you know, down here. I already have a big, you know, I'm big on apes. I have a big position on apes. So I didn't buy anything, but when it was pulling down here to the 20 moving average, like it was just looking so good. I don't know, can we go all the way down to the bottom of the line? Maybe to this line over here. Around 520 or something like that, and then go towards the upside. Twitter. Just do it like this over here, put up there, something like this, give or take. I need to log into Twitter up there. You short again, didn't you? Short, yep, you just did. Let me get wrecked, lol. Nope, still long, just hold it. Let's tweet. You missed the dip. March 2025. Long 16.8, close the 21.2. Be careful next market crash. We all took profits. Pulled back from first week of March. But if it's first week of March, why did you take profits now at 21.2? It doesn't make any sense. 22.2, 22.8 is the target for the juicy short. Write that down and tomorrow we talk. Yeah, I mean around 22, 23 might be some kind of target up there, you know, for that short squeeze. But I'm thinking people are gonna get a little bit more, you know, surprised. I'm looking at 24, 25 up here, to tell you the truth. I mean, these resistances up here, they're gonna get smacked. This getting smacked right now. This over here is gonna get smacked, and then you got this at 24.3 or something like that, right? You got a 200 moving average and you got a 50 moving average up here. So I think as soon as we are above 21.7 or something like that, I think you know, I think we're gonna go to 25. I don't think, you know, 23 is gonna be the level. I've seen a lot of people talking about 23 levels, so above. On the 4 hourly, 1 hourly is not yet above up here, 21.4. Drink more beer and eat more chips while on the way to 25k. Let's see if anything else, you know, didn't move. Thematic, long. Everything did move. CBG, Sand, Mana, even Sand. Wow, Mana just moved like crazy. Alice pullback. Dot. Ooh, Dot didn't move that much. Dot actually had a pullback down here. How much is this up here? 75 5-minute chart. Yeah, Polkadot was also looking good the last time I checked it out. Yeah, Polkadot looks nice up here. Maybe some Polaris give or take wire. This part over here is the most interesting part. Looks like a channel. It's above really high right now though. API 3. This is 1 hourly. Say Chile is up here. RSR, BNB, Link, Belize, 1, VeChain, Waves. What's Waves doing? Resisting. Nice. 140 XRP. XRP just went like last hour. Yeah, XRP. Zilliqa also went. All the trades are gone. What kind of probability do we have on a 2.45% move on Atom right now? None. Bar. Near. Rose. Would poop smell any other way if it was called something else? In my gaming dark coin moved up a bit. Chicken, I think it will perform nice in the next bull run. Everything will perform nice in the next bull run. What you talking about, man? Everything will perform nicely in the next bull run. Ara Kapanel 1 hour, I think. Missed my long near. Was driving again. Don't trade and drive, guys. Don't trade and drive. Cops are gonna get ya. Just this rescue on the rules. See cash. Yeah, Engine coin did pull back. Engine is the guy. Engine is the coin, guys. Engine is the coin. TLM. I think we got an NG on Bybit though. I think we got an NG coin on Bybit. How's this actually playing? Look at this Aptos up here. Remember the movement up here, and it just went up here right now towards the end up here. Wow. We are not touching Aptos though. NG coin. Yeah, we can do NG coin. What kind of movement down is it? 1%. I'm gonna risk it. Yeah, why not? I mean, it's a small account, so you know, it's not another account, so you know that is fine. Let's just look at it up here. Yeah, this looks like it's gonna pop. I really like, you know, I really like this move up here. You know, it went down up here. There is no divergence up here on the chart. There is actually a big divergence up here, but just consolidating, just not dropping down. Probably there is a big divergence up here. Why do I turn these things off all the time? They just kind of pop up. I think they need to fix their stuff. Yeah, I mean, this thing is already up by, you know, a ton up here, almost 100% up. Maybe that's why it's not moving. Maybe it's the reverse. Maybe it's already went up a lot. Why it's not moving though? Why it's not moving? What kind of, you know, 2% up here? There is no engulfing candle up here into this moving averages. What's that? 4178 or something like that. Looks beautiful. It's sitting below 200 daily. You wanna long it? Well, only the projects that are still will perform the next bull run. That will not be all at the end. Yeah, well, all projects perform well. Bitcoin is done with the pullback. No pullbacks. No pullbacks. This is so strong. Bitcoin is so strong, guys. Bitcoin is strong. Everybody is underestimating Bitcoin right now. Everybody is underestimating Bitcoin. Everybody. AVX is moving above the 20 and 50 moving average up here very nicely. Can ape come down here? I mean, if ape can come down here, it's gonna be very nice. Gala moving back. I don't know, is it? It's not doing anything, just going higher. I don't see any movement back from Gala. ELV up here, hitting resistance. Near exploded above the moving averages. Glimmer. But GLM is not on Bybit, so. I was looking at KDA as well. But up here at the top, box, right, as soon as it's above the box up here, it goes up again. Then you have this resistance up here, so target should be something like this up here, give or take 10% up. I think everything can explode towards the upside right now. BNB, why is BNB not double bottom on BNB down here? Moving up above the moving averages. Oh, BNB. BNB is not done anything much up here. How much is down from the bottom up here? Only 2% up. So downtrend, you know, the risk is, you know, 2% down. Two hours is still below the 10 moving average up here. Held the support down here. Financial advice. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Bro, what's up? Can we see your spreadsheet? Go through it, please. Nah, it's not updated. I think there was a two or three trades not updated. So there's that. There's a while to go, so I don't know if it's just gonna go right now. Dogecoin. Where is Shiba? Shiba actually performed well lately up here. It's going above the resistance again up here. Yeah, it is. Shiba's continuing the move towards upside. Looks nice. No pullback on this thing over here. This has a cup and handle pattern. I think it needs to pull back. We're gonna wait a little bit and see if this thing pulls back. If it does pull back a little bit more. If EMF breaks 0.73, you have a nice long up to 115. That's a lot of profit. But EMF is not on Bybit, so you know, does not help me. EMX, Immutable X. EMX is actually on Bybit. Yeah, but you want me to long something that's up 3%. I think Immutable X can go all the way up to, yeah, 1017. Is this your target? Yeah, no, yours 115 up here. 50 moving average, it's 80% up. There we go. What kind of risk is over here? Still 1% risk up here. This trend line over here is very important. And then you got a, you know, resistance up here. You see an hourly, yeah, that's all the way down there. There we go, very, very close. I think it's so close. What about Bitcoin? It's a 5-minute time frame. 1 hourly, 4 hourly time frame. Still 2 hours and 45 minutes, so you know. You definitely wait a little bit. We're watching it right now. Is Flux available in KuCoin? I don't know, man. I don't know if Flux is available in KuCoin. Will be pump. Yeah, everything will be pumped. The question is when. When is the big question. Everything will be pump. Right now, I'm most confident on you know, I like patterns. I'm big on patterns. I don't know why. Doesn't matter what kind of pattern that is. You know, even if it has a name or doesn't have a name. If I see something that I like, it's consolidating some kind of pattern. Some kind of, you know, interesting moves. Get your milk. Now we are on Coke right now. I've been streaming for 57 minutes, so it's either gonna happen very soon or it's not gonna happen at all. But you know, I got stuff to do. Bitcoin just goes. Let's see up here, ape. Yeah, was that a pullback? 1 minute time frame up here. Was that the pullback? Would you say that was a pullback? It's not this one up here. How much downside is it right now? Let's say 1%, something like that. It's not. Let's go up here, 30. It can definitely pull back more. We're just gonna wait a little bit. Nearly every human likes patterns and denies chaos. Only the genius dominates the chaos. It's nice saying, but you know, patterns rule the world. You don't Coke. What happened to you? The housing crash is over, guys. Greg Dixon says the housing crash is over. I can't believe this, man. When this guy is big on real estate, and he was like, the housing crash is over. So when I read this, I was like, I was thought, you know, I don't know what the word is. I was in shock. I was in shock. This guy is big on housing, you know, and real estate. crash. Come on, down here, down here. I need some milk. We're gonna go on the milk. I need to cut out, you know, a couple of things from my life. You know, Coke. It's not really hard. Junk food. I need to sleep better. I need to stop doing 5-minute breaks. And I need to eat more meat. If I can get that under, you know, my belt, you know, trading will just be great. Binet, how you doing, man? Sugar slows you down. Yeah, sugar is not good for me. It gets you too excited. When you're trading, you don't want to be excited. You want to be very calm. I eat only beef. Nah, you gotta eat some vegetables as well, man. Vegetables and fruit as well. There we go. That was nice. Finally, pull back. But 20 moving average, it's good enough, but you know, can it go down? Let's zoom in a little bit more up here. What you guys think? Is good enough? One hourly. Hello, can we watch the charts? You don't appreciate a little bit of art in your life. You gotta stop to smell the flowers, you know? In life, when you're going through life, I mean, what's life worth if you do not stop to smell the flowers from time to time? We gotta smell the flowers. Yes, looks nice. This on 5-minute time frame, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 10 moving average. Going below that. Still pulling back down a little bit up here more. Does not look like it is right there. It's right up here at 5010. It looks like it's hodling very nicely up there. Bitcoin crossed down below up here on small time frames. Bitcoin has a huge divergence on the chart though. But of course, if this just continues pumping up here, then it you know, avoids divergence. And Ape has this cup and handle pattern that I wanna take trade on. I think we should do it. I think we should just, you know, do the 5-minute, you know, 20 moving average up here. It bouncing for already. Yesterday, Genesis news didn't hit on Bitcoin. To me, that means that crypto seems underestimated a lot by the market. No. Genesis news, I explained a little bit about that. Genesis news is, you know, people think that Genesis news is gonna, you know, crash Bitcoin like, you know, FTX did. But FTX, you know, happened when we were in a bearish market. So there's that. We are watching 5-second charts. There we go. It's hitting the target right now, but it's going below the target. The resistance will be broken. La résistance will be broken. La résistance. The pullback, man, the pullback. I know, it's good for me. I mean, it hit our target, so, you know, whatever. Okay, ape. Where is the volume on this thing over here? Good enough for me. 10x, 100%. It just you know, $200. It's just $200. So we're gonna exit the trade if this goes and starts closing down here. I think Bitcoin might consolidate here. I'm gonna put in a stop loss up here somewhere. What would it, if we are gonna, like, down here? So we entered somewhere around here, so that's gonna be like 1.25% up here. I mean, if it goes down there, I mean, you know, something is not right, because we are buying the bottom right now, right? I'm gonna put like 963, something like that, below this week up here. I mean, that's you know, we can put like all the way down here below the moving averages, just because reasons. Although it should not go down that far, but yeah, we can take a hit on a $200 account, right? We can take a hit on $200 account. There is no problem with that. So we'll put the, you know, these are moving. Why is this 984 or this 1 minute chart down here below these levels down here? 955 sounds 955 sounds 5. 4955 13% down. Yeah, sure, confirm. There we go. So we got a stop loss up here just because reasons, and we are hoping that this is gonna, you know, bounce soon. And Bitcoin up here did break this uptrend up here, resistance. So right now it's going to this consolidation pattern up here. If Bitcoin goes down below the line again, that might be a, you know, important. Well, no, it's shorting time. Everybody got an opinion, guys. I got opinion, you got opinion, everybody got opinion. It's gonna go up, it's gonna go down. Only people that get it right gets the bragging rights. So I put in a short just like that. Just wait for a shift on small time frames. Joined you with ape pump to the moon. I hope you use the link, man. It's okay, it's okay. Now, it's you know, it does look like, you know, this pullback is fine, because you know, we went up to the resistance, right? It's fine. Pullback, it's fine. This is cup and handle up here, pull back up here, go up here, and once it breaks towards the upside, right? So we waited for this pullback down to the support level. We longed the support level, which I'm also fine with. I don't think I did anything wrong with this trade over here. Sometimes you will, you know, feel bad because, you know, FOMO in, you don't wait. But also another thing that I, you know, noticed about myself is that oftentimes I will see some kind of level where I want to buy, maybe down here. So I want to buy down here, but you know, I get too excited about you know, the price, and the price starts doing this, and then I buy up here, and then it goes down to my level, which kind of makes me hate myself. So you know, just buying on your level wherever you want to buy, even though you miss the trade, even though you fail the trade, even though that's a bad, you know, it goes down below your, you know, support and stuff like that, right? You will still feel a lot better because you bought where you wanted to buy. Bitcoin's looking like double top, so short is incoming. Yeah, it does look like a double top up here. It broke down, so it could definitely, you know, move down. But I'm giving it, you see this line up here, I'm saying that this can, you know, it's a double top on a, you know, 1 minute time frame. It's double top on 1 minute time frame, so, you know, it's gonna be over very, very fast. Upstream swimming salmon analytics. You remember, man, you remember. Upstream swimming salmon analytics. You remember. Nice to have you back, man. Not a lot of people, you know, remember the, you know, salmon strategy. See, it's going up, but it's okay, it's okay. We bought where we wanted to buy, it's okay. Life is good when you buy where you want to buy. It's 200 bucks, it's, you know, we can afford to take a hit. No problem. It's a 1 minute time frame, 5 minute time frame, right back down again below the support. QNT broken a 4 hourly. Hi Wick, long time no see. QNT is not on Bybit, but let's check it out. It still did break up here. It's got a higher, not the burdens on the chart. Everything looks fine with QNT. It's been having this nice pullback down here. This looks actually legitimately nice up here for a continuation towards the upside. Wow, ape pulling back. But Bitcoin, there we go. Bitcoin starts down here somewhere, right? Because of the resistance, sorry, support line. So we're gonna see. Do we have any kind of inverse divergence or something like that? No, there is not inverse divergence. But the volume up here is also very, very low. The low on the pullback is low. Even though it's small time frames, the volume on the pullback is low. Daniel of chart shape is now bullish again. It's going to dump. I was actually watching Daniel, you know, 2 days ago, something like that. And Daniel, chart champ, and I was very, you know, because chart champions did well in World Series of Trading on Bybit, right? And yeah, 1 day ago, I was watching this video up here. I don't usually watch Daniel at all, but you know, why I have finally taken a short trade on Bitcoin. I was very surprised when he shorted the Bitcoin, because he to me seems a lot better trader than a lot of other guys. So you know, but still, I was like, why are you doing that, man? So I was a little bit surprised about that, but he's right a lot of times though. The channel. No, this looks like this looks nice. Pull back down there, very nice. 56. Ooh. We're still hoping for a higher low. 200 moving average down here. Mental stop loss. Now he's long and gonna dump. He deserves it. Nah. He's a good guy. I think he's a good guy. I don't know. One kicks in a little bit here on ape. Yeah, so I'm not doing anything special up here. All the way down to the 50 moving. Now that would wreck my, a long position. If it goes down 0.62% down to the 50 moving average, I think, ape might actually, crash. There we go, picking up again, which is actually quite nice so far. But this dump down here is also very nice. 200 moving average. This is on 1 minute time frame, so there is that. 5 minute time frame trying to pick up again, again above the support, which is nice. Arrogant liar, in my opinion. Nah, I don't know. I don't know the guy, so I cannot tell you anything about that. It pulled back above the support line, but not pulled back above the 20 moving average up here. Still trying though, it's still trying, so it's okay. And where is this line up here? No, we just got this, support line over here. This is some next level weird, falling wedge. It's a really weird falling wedge. I don't like these, extreme wicks up here. I think they are fake. Maybe it's doing some kind of head and shoulders pattern on 1 minute time frame up here. Long day at 1 minute 200 moving average, juling around, nice. Where is the 1 minute 200 moving average? Over here. But no, he says crossing, juling the 200 moving average. Juling the 200 moving average is when, the price crosses above the 200 moving average or down on the 200 moving average. That's what he is looking at. But if I was Joule, I wouldn't be, using the 200 moving average, because 200 moving average is important, but I would adjust it a little bit, just so these moving averages, let's say, maybe 250, 300. Yeah, 300 seems better. 300, avoids these, fake moves. 300 moving average avoids these fake moves. So when you do actually, cross it, it's a lot more secure. Because if you use 200 moving average and everybody's looking at 200 moving average, it oftentimes, cuts the 200 moving average where it should not cut it, right? It crosses up here, it just right back. Like it crosses a lot of times, right? But if you use 300 moving average on 1 minute time frame, like sideways movements, of course, they do happen, like, right? But once it's trending, it is kind of nice. It's kind of nice. So there is that. I would use 300 moving average instead of 200, just because, so you can a little bit edge on everybody else. Bitcoin went down to the support and bouncing off the support above the 10 moving average. That means this is good for our ape position so far. And maybe we are creating this, this right shoulder up here. 500 MI. Guys, you know the MI that the elites are looking at, right? You know the MI, right? It's a long time since we checked that MA, so let's look at it again. You know the moving average, guys. You know the moving average. You know the moving average. 666. This is the moving average. This is all you need to know. This is the moving average that you wanna know when you are bullish and bearish. Look here, just as we are actually crossing down over here, exactly when we're crossing down, all right, and over here as well, 666 moving average. Let's go a little bit back in time. See here as well. It's not actually that, but it tried to hold and then down. So below it, bear market, above it, bull market, right? 666 moving average. Same over here. Down, up, right? And the same thing over here. Down, up, right? 666 moving average. A lot of, I'm giving you secrets right now. I'm giving you secrets. You are in the circle right now. You know the averages. You know the numbers. Two touches dump in 2019 and 2021 on 600. Two touches in 2019 and 2021 on 666. It is? I did not see that. Let me see. Yeah, two touches. Two touches. But 2019 doesn't have those touches. It's 2022. It's all about emotional moving averages. No. We don't go there, man. We don't go there. Just do it like this up here. It's easier. Okay, we pulled back enough. Right now it's time to do the shoulder. Come on, do the shoulder. Do the shoulder. Emma is voodoo. Definitely, 100%. Alma moving averages, averagers. Alma. I don't know what Alma is. It might be a good joke, but I don't know. ETH on the way up to 16. Ooh. No, it is doing this. Wow, it is looking bad. It looks like it wants to drop. So that means that everything else wants to drop as well. See, it broke the trend up here. Yeah, it is going for a drop. But it's 1 minute time frame drop, right? We're looking for a spring right now, spring. And head and shoulders pattern is not playing out, the way I actually wanted to play out, unfortunately. Bros, and what's wrong with my hair, man? What you say, man? It's nice hair. It's hair. It's on my head. It's actually washed. It's very nice and fluffy. I don't get it. The hair is good. The hair is very, very good. So Anup is posting on Twitter. Let me show you up here. Cryptonup on Twitter. Anup is posting on Twitter a chart. This chart over here, but it's not the same thing. This is a ascending broadening wedge. This is target up here towards top, up here something, right? and he's posting. But if you watch today's video, if you watch the video from today on CryptoNoop, this one over here, the very first chart channel pattern is the chart that I am warning about, you know. Getting out, retest, and going down. That's the very first thing. This pump could get scary. So it's very, you know, he posts a lot of nice charts, and he posts these psychological pitfalls and stuff like that, right? So he says that, you know, we're gonna break up here and then, you know, go into some kind of falling wedge again. Please no. Up here. And you can see up here, even here he looks down to, you know, for a moment towards the downside, right? It's only here at the end of that he's posting this ascending broadening wedge chart up here. But I don't think this is ascending broadening wedge. I gotta tell you that. I don't think that's ascending broadening wedge. I don't think this is ascending broadening wedge. He's posted here as well. He's looking back down to, you know, some kind of support down here at retest of the support levels around 200k, 20k. I don't think that's the case. And a reason his lines is not broken, this is logarithmic chart. I don't see down here. This is a logarithmic chart. So there's that. There we go. We got our, you know, right shoulder, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So right now we need to get above the resistance up here. Something like this up here. This, and then go towards the upside. And then I think we're gonna, you know, next move we're gonna break the resistance up here at top. I love fluffy hair. Thanks, man. Hair is super sane like. Let's go about in such hair looking crazy or cool. White always goes against you. That's not fair. Yeah. Who cares about him? There we go. Who cares about me? We only care about, you know, the price. The price. Where is the chart going? What is he doing? We are 0.0% in green, which is fine so far. Wow, did you see that? Did you see that? Did you see the break? Did you see that? Huh? Did you see that? Did you see that? 2.77%. But the other guy that you showed. It's okay. I mean, I think it's interesting to check out. Did you see the move? Did you see the move? Nice, nice. What's it like? Nice. I was just standing, but you know, nice. 56%. 0.56%. I mean, Jewel would like this move. I care about you. Thanks, man. Appreciate that. There's a 50 moving edge got rejected. Still negative realized profit. How do you see that? Still negative realized profit. Yeah, okay, it's still negative realized, but you know, realized. When we realize it, it's gonna be good profit. It's okay. $6 profits, like good old days. He means Anup is actually like his chart. This is 1 minute chart. I don't know what we are looking at, but it's very nice. It's very nice. It's right now above this 10-20 moving average, outside of the wedge. Very nice. Closed up here on 2 minute time frame above the moving averages. 1 minute time frame up here is still below the 50, but Bitcoin did pull back up here, and right now, you know, doing the pump towards the upside. Bitcoin is strong, guys. I gotta tell you that Bitcoin is very strong, and this is very different from any kind of you know, bear market. In bear market, you'll see, you know, stuff breaks down. You hope it's gonna break above the resistance. It just never does that. It just kind of looks weak and slow and stupid. And it's like, please just get above that resistance. You've been trying like for the last 10 times getting above it, and it just cannot do it. But in the bullish trends, every kind of resistance just like pop, 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 just breaks it. Let's take 5 minutes break. I gotta move the kids. They fell asleep downstairs, so they gotta get moved to the, we're gonna restart the stream eventually. Don't crash the market while I'm gone. 5.5%, nice. Works out well. Bitcoin had a pullback down. I told you, like, even though it's a double top up here, it's a 1 minute time frame. It's a 1 minute time frame, so this plays out very, very fast. If Ape can manage to break the resistance up here, it's just gonna explode up here. .5, 15%, that's okay. Yeah, Matic is a beast. Under 1 minute time frame. Code 49905. Oh, that's slow. Above 525. I think it's above a 5.1. 525 is already way, way high. Let's see it. Just consolidating up here. This can take a little while. Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin looks nice. It's above the resistance up here, I think. Yeah. It's pulled back. On 5 minute time frame, pull back to 55 up here, so you can do another move towards the upside. 73 on 1 hourly. Last team was it? Borlak Salzburg. It was. I don't know how to type this, but you know. How many people are in crypto right now in the world? Not much, not many. We need. Solana also is doing a nice picture. Solana 645. Yeah. In the last, we've been streaming for 1 hour and a half, so it was already up here when we start streaming. One minute. This head and shoulders on 1 minute already played out. This thing over here already played out. Pulled back. Double top up here. Cannot go back down here again. Her bar is pumping. Is her bar finally, you know, doing the move? How's EOS doing? EOS. This thing is just sad. It seems to me like everybody's into crypto. We need more. I can definitely tell you that, you know, everybody who are buying meme coins in, you know, previous bull run is not here yet. 100% they're not here yet. They're gonna come back once we get back on the meme train. Oh no. Oh no. Where is her bar? Wow. Should have gone for her bar, man. This thing it broke the channel. It broke the channel. Look how long this channel was. And right now it broke the channel and exploded towards the upside. This is an hourly. Like last 1, 2, 3, 4 hours, it went up, 12%. Oh, no. Bitcoin hitting that resistance, cannot break the resistance. God damn it. Bearish engulfing. We're gonna see if bearish engulfing goes below 10-20 moving average. Now we are underwater, I think. Yeah, 1.38% underwater. What about explode? Nah, it looks like he wants to have this pullback. If it goes back below here, like I'm looking at this 50 moving average, but this will be devastating for Altcoin, I think, because Altcoin can definitely move down below our support levels. Bragging rights. Let's give a shout out to the LA. Bragging rights, man. It's all about bragging rights. People are afraid of the unknown. That's why they FOMO. Yeah, that's why they FOMO. That's the worst thing you can do. People wait until it's safe. There is no such thing as safe. Risk is part of life. Coming back down to this support level. Lower lows. The momentum is still going down. The volume up here has been, going down. We need to stop looking at 1 minute time frame though. I mean, our stop loss is all the way down at 96 or something like that. So we have time. See a little bit bigger time frames up here. This is actually quite bad. So we are looking at 98 or something like that if it does break down. Maybe it's going for a retest over here on the trend line. 2 minute time frame. Nice show. See you around. See you around, Crypto Optiker. Thanks for stopping by. We're gonna see. It's a waiting game now. Be pro. This is CoinSkid coin. It's been performing well lately. XRP 0.94. Bitcoin pulling back hard. We might have had double top up here on 1 minute time frame, but right now we have double top on 5 minute time frame, which might take a longer time if it does go down. That's 50 moving average, I'm not mistaken. Fart face to BTC, I don't know, man. BNC, is that Bancor or something like that? Bifrost. I absolutely not know what this is. People always tell me about coins that are doing 200% moves. Yeah, you hit that and then bouncing off that level, so... Nobody's gonna trade something that's up 200%, like, that's crazy. I mean, there is definitely degenerates that like those kind of stuff, but you know, that's not me. S&P 500, what's S&P doing? 0.76, 1 minute down. It's pulling back a little bit. It actually had a nice move towards the upside. It can just stay up here. I mean, it will be very nice. How about Casper XR Perry? It's in bank issues. Bot instead. Yeah, it happens. Sputnik is in the chat. Long time no see, man. How you doing? Nah, you always gotta look at the move. Look at the move. It went down and right back up again. Doesn't care. Bitcoin doesn't care. You know, that's how you know that, you know, the price is bullish, because all of the supports are holding so well. All of the supports are holding so well. Any kind of pullback, they're just buying the pullback, guys. They're just buying the pullback. It's so nice, you know, trading with the trend, because, you know, you got your pullbacks on your side. If you're trading against the trend, you gotta be, you know, quick on taking the profits and quick on taking, you know, putting in stop losses and stuff like that. Hope it will break up. Words. Words. Nice. So we had over here some kind of double bottom down here. So right now it's time to, you know, to do a bigger move towards the upside. Look at how bar on the 401 hour possible breakout. It already had a breakout. It already had a breakout. It's already done. If you have been watching the you know, start of the show, when Ron asked me to look at it, there was a channel up here. It already had a breakout. It's already done. The breakout already happened, and probably with the volume as well. I mean, the volume up here has been, you know, I did not even see the volume. Look here. It was below the support, but the volume was, you know, huge up here. In this part over here, the volume was huge. Somebody knew something, guys. Somebody knew something. Look at the volume. There was very little volume all the way up to this point up here. And then over here, just before this breakout, look at the volume, guys. Somebody knew something. Yeah, many are waiting for 19K and 18K and 15K or whatever, right? They don't believe that, you know, because they're hearing these stories about, yeah, Bitcoin is, this is just, you know, what I mean, dead cat bounce, it's not gonna happen. We are still in a bear market, so forth, so forth. Look back 9 in time. I don't know what 9 is. Still needs to get above these levels up here. 50.45. Bit was talking about Hobart 2 days ago. Yeah, that might be it. But it has been, you know, slowly climbing. Oh my, yeah, might be that. But the last volume spike is only 60 minutes long. Hobart. What do you mean 16 minutes long? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15. Yeah, the last spike up here. Yeah, it's only 60 minutes long, but still. This is the 4-hourly candle. It broke out. It's pretty much you know, it broke out right now. You know, people are FOMOing and whatever not. They're hoping for the pullback up here, and it just looks so strong. How can ape dump so hard again? Did Bitcoin dump again? Yeah, Bitcoin dump again. It's just following Bitcoin. Next resistance, I would say next resistance is 79. I don't know what 15 means. Ape is aping you. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I think next resistance up here for her bar is 79. 79 and the 50 moving average as well. This on the weekly time frame, but those are the major ones at least. Okay, let's go back to Bitcoin up here a little bit. 1 year more and it will be half of Bitcoin cycle. Yeah, 1 more year, man, 1 more year. I need to do analysis on, you know, the average price of Bitcoin. What's real large profit right now? I don't know. It's $2, 123 bucks, minus 1.23. Yeah, this looks like, you know, about 0.15 big resistance. Where is the 0.15? I don't see 0.15. You're looking way ahead of time. I mean, the first one is 79 up here, and if you look at on the weekly time frame up here, the 50 moving average up here 0.1, but between 0.1 up here, I would say it's not, you know, the resistance is not hitting about, you know, until 0.17 or something like that. Let's see monthly time frame up here. Yeah, between 1 and 0.17 there's a lot of empty space, so if it can get above, you know, $1 up here, I think it's gonna go to 0.17, 1 or something like that. 0.17. I don't see anything in a 15 though. Maybe on 1 hourly time, sorry, on might be down here something, you know, on daily time frame, but I think, you know, 17 is more important than 15. That's me. Bitcoin gives a second chance. I cleared my account for the Xmas. 18.4 tracement is okay with me for a bull run investment. Yeah, this didn't play out exactly as, you know, the most optimal way. But, you know, mental stop loss. We actually have a real stop loss, but there's that. Wow, we were streaming for 2 hours, so, you know, maybe we just gonna, because we got already stop loss up here. So right now just awaiting here, right? We got a stop loss down here at 9.55 or so, on Ape. So there's that. And if it does go, you know, if it does, you know, go towards upside up here, if this cup and handle pattern does, you know, eventually over here breaks towards upside without getting us out at 9.55, where's 9.55? If it doesn't get us out, if it does break towards upside up here, so we are looking at something like, you know, give or take on the break up here, you know, 5.19, something like that. Let's say 5.5, something like that. Less than 5.5, 5.49, something like that, right? So that's like 10% move towards upside. It's gonna double the account if that happens, right? If you don't get stopped out. So where is it? Let's put also profit target just in case we sleep and, you know, it does hit that level. Take profit 5.5, I think. 5.5. 5495, 5495, 94% profit if it goes up there, right? Just in case we sleep, right? So you're gonna confirm that, right? All the way up there. So hopefully you don't get stopped out. It's below 200 moving average again. But we're gonna, you know, take profit right now and stop loss target up there. And now it's just a waiting game. Hopefully this plays out. Things dumpy now. Yeah, it looks dumpy right now. So the pullback is in full effect right now. It is breaking down it's not breaking the support yet. It's on the support, it's not breaking just yet. Look in the group if you're, I always want to look in the group, man. Yeah, it's the same channel. So, you know, hopium is that, you know, the midline up here might actually hold it, right? Midline. The best case scenario is just, you know, start hugging the resistance and breaks towards the upside. Best case scenario. But guys, we're gonna stop the stream over here. We got a stop loss down here somewhere below this, you know, down here. So hopefully you don't get stopped out. Hopefully it goes to, you know, in our direction. But you know, I don't want to, you know, stream 2 hours just watching the chart. Will it break? Will it break? So there is that. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. You know, new day, new stuff, new trades. It's not a big trade. Even if you lose trade, it doesn't matter. It's okay. But the good thing is, you know, I did enter when I wanted to enter. So there is that. Hopefully for you. Guys, thanks for stopping by. You know what to do with the Bybit link below, right? I don't have to tell you what to do with the Bybit link. If you don't have the Bybit account, you know what to do with the link. See you around, guys. Enjoy the day. Where is the outro? I'm gonna stop this one and we're gonna have some, you know, happy music. Thanks, company. Take care. You too, man. Good hearing from you again, guy. Nice seeing you, Vic. Nice seeing you. Bye bye.